How to fix iPhone Face ID disabled or not available error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix iPhone Face ID disabled or simply not available. So let's get started. So there can be two reasons why this is awkward. The first is software issue, the other is hardware issue. So if this is a software issue, what you'll need to do is head over to your settings and check for any software update available. So head over to General, then head over to Software Update and check if there is an update available. If there is an update available, simply update your app to the latest version. After you've done that, your problem should get fixed as updates come with bug fixes and patches. So that should fix the issue. Now, if that does not fix the issue, let's head back to our Face ID and passcode. Tap on that, type in your passcode, and there we are. Now, what you can do in this case is simply reset your Face ID. Sometimes resetting your Face ID is all that it takes to simply get your Face ID to start working. So tap on reset and again set up a new Face ID. And if you're not able to do that as well, let's head back to General, scroll down all the way. There you'll find Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on that and then tap on Reset. Now here, reset all of your settings. After you've reset all of your settings, you'll need to restart your iPhone. So I recommend force restarting your iPhone. So for that, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button. And when the Apple logo appears, simply release the side button and your iPhone will force restart. Doing that, your problem should get fixed if it's a software related issue. And if it's a hardware related issue, which can be caused due to water damage or physical damage, you might have to get your iPhone checked and you might have to get your true depth camera replaced or fixed. And that is the only way you can fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.